Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Jenny and today I'm just going to be doing a little day in my life reset, cleaning, hence why we are in the bathroom. We are friends here, we don't judge. So with that being said, I've been really struggling with my mental health lately. So cleaning, like deep cleaning, hasn't really been a priority. You know, I still do like dishes, make sure things are put away relatively, but like putting laundry away and, you know, like scrubbing the toilet and the shower and stuff like that has just kind of been pushed back. We were both really sick for about a month, really. So with that said, let's do some deep cleaning that I have been neglecting. First, I'm just gonna tie my hair back just to get it out of my face so that I'm not getting all overstimulated from it. I'm just gonna messy bun, whatever. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna be scrubbing. I really want to Swiffer and just clean the floor because it's been a while. So let's take all of the stuff on the floor out. So as you've seen in previous videos, we have a cat. So he likes to make a mess with his litter. So I'm gonna sweep that up first and then take that out. My leggings are so dirty, as you may have seen just from crawling around on the bathroom floor because of Binks's litter. So I'm gonna change really quick, plus I got a little warm, so I just wanna change into some fresh clothes. So that is everything. I decided to clean pretty much the entire bathroom and I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna go relax. But I'm gonna insert a little clip of everything here. Still not perfect, and I need to put my little paint cup and paintbrushes away, but the toilet's clean. Shower is so much cleaner. It's not perfect, I know. That I need to reorganize one day. Little Binksy's area is all nice and clean and no litter all over the floor. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you do hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. I love you guys so much, and I hope this was a bit of inspiration to get up and try to force yourself to get things done. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.